Welcome to Serma Shorthand Academy.
Welcome to Sarma Shorthand Academy channel. Today in this class we are going to discuss joined strokes in chapter 1. Before that, I once again draw your attention to the so far discussed subjects in chapter 1 before discussing the joined strokes as a revision. Pitman shorthand is phonetic. Words being written according to their sound by means of a stroke character. The strokes are 26 in number and each stroke has a distinct name and value. We have already discussed. To represent the consonants, there are mainly two elements, a straight stroke and a shallow curve. It is straight stroke and a shallow curves. The strokes, whether it is straight or curved, are thin and thick, for the representation of pairs of similar sounds. Thin strokes are written sometimes upward, sometimes downward, but whereas thick strokes are never written upward. They are always written downward. Strokes must be of uniform length, already discussed, about 1/6 of an inch. Strokes are written by one impression and the thick curves taper at each end. The strokes representing che is written downward. Che is written downward. Re is written upward. By using the geometric forms as shown in the board, we can represent all the consonants sounds except ve, a, he. So let us see. In this diagram, P is written from top to bottom. This is downward stroke with an angle of 45 degrees. T is perpendicular. Che is 30 degrees from perpendicular. Re is 30 degrees from horizontal. Slope, there is a slope in re than che. Similarly, B, D, J, K. K are horizontal straight strokes. Here curved strokes. Take a circle and divide it into 4 parts. This part F, it is a forward curve. Opposite ish. Thicken V. Ish thicken Z. It. Take this circle and divide it into 4 parts. This part is it, opposite S. Thicken D. S thicken Z. This is L. Upward. In this arch, upward is L, downward is R. M. This mounted curve is M. This dipped curve is N. This thickened dip curve is Ing. These are the consonants. Straight strokes and curved strokes. To remember the difference between S and it, we take a small letter of English in S. This portion relates to this character. So S is remembered in small s this portion. Opposite is ith. S thicken is Z, ith thicken is D. Way, A, A. How to remember? In alphabets, way comes before A, Y. So this hook comes before way and later Y. Hey, downward and upward. These are having initial circles. This has to be remembered. In this way, we have to remember the strokes of consonants.
Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get more notifications. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thank you.